Making green powder is so easy, and I wonder why it's so expensive. I like to get the leaves off before my plants go to seed and go on and dehydrate them, crunch them up, grind them, whatever you want to call it, and make green powder. Like, why do they charge so much for that? It's one of the easiest processes ever. I like to do it with all my greens, broccoli, cabbage, collards, all of that. And not just in the end, all throughout their growing stages. I'll leave one plant out here to go all the way to seed, so I'll have them for next year. You'll get your healthy dose of greens without even thinking about it, or eating them, or smelling them cook in your house. So basically, take it through here, and all of this will be my powder. And there we go. I keep adding to this jar, so I just made about half of what's in here is what just was made. So girl, you some food. We all gotta eat.